There's the hotel we all know and love, the Marriott Marquis in Times Square. But right now, we are at the Millenium Hotel, Times Square, with these Fujitec elevators. Call buttons are original, but sadly, everything else is not. Might take a minute for when they get up here. Looks like there's a few rooms up here, but not many. This building's rather narrow, so. And look how small it is. There's one.
52nd floor, going down.
These cabs are really fancy. Go down to the lobby. Oh my gosh. These things are pretty damn quick.
Twenty-sixth floor, going down.
This pushed on my side.
Thank you.
I don't know why it didn't work on that one. Take care. Actually, is this going to go back up to 52? Probably not. Yep, this has got a nice hefty, big fat floor lock. Oh, just kidding, we're going somewhere. My phone does not want to look at this indicator. Smart or dumb controller? It's smart, it doesn't let me open the doors on a locked floor. All right, is 8 unlocked? No, nothing's unlocked besides the lobby. So we'll go there. I believe these go 1200.